Ever wondered how many plant species exist in your local park? You might be surprised to learn that there are over 400,000 species of plants worldwide, and identifying them just got a whole lot easier with FLORA INcognita. Hey, nature enthusiasts! Today, let's dive into the amazing world of plant identification with a groundbreaking app that's revolutionizing how we interact with the green gems around us. Meet FLORA INcognita, a game changer for anyone fascinated by the natural world. Now, if you've ever been on a hike or a walk and found yourself wondering, what's this plant? Then you know the challenge. Identifying plants can be tricky, especially when there are so many lookalikes. You might even miss out on understanding their significance in our ecosystems. But fear not. The struggle to identify plants is officially over. FLORA INcognita is here to help. This app uses cutting-edge AI technology to identify plants in seconds. Simply snap a photo and bam! You've got the plant's name, details about its habitat, and even fun facts right at your fingertips. Think of it as having a botanist in your pocket. But how does it work? FLORA INcognita leverages a vast database and sophisticated image recognition algorithms to accurately identify plants. It's like magic for plant lovers. Plus, it's not just about identification, but the app provides in-depth information on each plant, helping you understand its role in the ecosystem. Whether you're a seasoned botanist or just starting out, this app has something for everyone. Let me share an incredible story. Sarah, a weekend hiker, stumbled upon a rare orchid while using FLORA INcognita. She was able to identify it instantly and learned it was a species thought to be extinct in her region. Thanks to her discovery, local conservationists could take action to protect this rare plant. Amazing, right? So whether you're exploring your backyard or trekking through a dense forest, FLORA INcognita makes plant identification accessible and fun. It opens up a world of knowledge and appreciation for the flora around us. Ready to unlock the secrets of plant life, and download FLORA INcognita today and start exploring. And hey, what's your favorite plant? Drop a comment below and let's get the conversation blooming. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more nature adventures. Happy exploring!